All right, so just so you're aware, you can solve these any way that you like. You can make a table, which you'll see soon. You can do FOIL method, which I know that you're familiar with, and you can do it using the distributive property. I'm going to show it to you. Um, because there are multiple methods to solve these, you can just choose your favorite one. And this is telling you to use the certain method so that you get familiar with it. But if you've got a method that works for you, then given the option, do it however you want to do it. This is the distributive property. You're going to take the first binomial and you're going to take these two pieces and put them in the front like this. You're going to say 3h times, and then whatever that second binomial is, times, 3h minus 6. Right, that second binomial that's there. And then you're going to take the negative 7 from that first binomial and you're going to put it there, and then you're going to write the same thing, 3h minus 6. So essentially what you get is the 3h from the first binomial multiplies both terms in the second, and then the negative 7 from the first binomial multiplies both terms in the second. Essentially, both things in the first binomial multiply both things in the second binomial. That's the goal of it. So we do 3h times 3h is 9h squared. 3h times negative 6 is negative 18h. And then negative 7 times 3h is negative 21h. And negative 7 times negative 6 is positive 42. Combining like terms, those two middle h terms leaves you with 9h squared minus 39h plus 42. And if we look for where that is, we see that that is, okay, so that's the idea, distributive property. So let's do that again for the second one. We're going to take that negative 4h from the first one, times everything in the second one, 3h plus 7. And then that positive 2, the second term in the first binomial, times the entire second binomial, 3h plus 7. And then I'll do this below because I kind of ran out of room. Negative 4h times 3h, negative 12h squared. Negative 4h times 7, negative 28h. Going to the second one, 2 times 3h, 6h. And of course you should know that you have to put that plus or minus in between them. So positive 6h. And then 2 times 7, 14, plus 14. Combining the like terms, the h terms, we're left with negative 12h squared. Negative 28h plus 6h is negative 22h. And then plus 14. I'm looking for that answer. We've got A. Looks like. That's it. That's how you do it. So that's the distributive property, breaking that first binomial, putting the first term in the first binomial in front of the second binomial, and then taking the second term in the first one and putting it in front of the second one again and distributing them through. Yep, you can do it that way. You can do it FOIL method or whatever other method that you prefer. Just an option.